Hello everyone, welcome back to KK Social Studies. Today I am going to discuss with you multiple choice questions from chapter 8, the modern period, class 8 also. Okay, this is the need of term 1 exam. Due to COVID, it MCQ questions will be asked in term 1 exam large in number. That's why I am making MCQ questions. Okay, for that you can achieve good marks in exam. Let's begin. First question: the history which includes the prehistoric period, the Indus Valley Civilization, the Vedic and the Epic Age is called ancient Indian history, medieval period, modern period, none of the above. So, what's your answer? Answer is A, ancient. Right? Who was the last great Mughal empire? Emperor कौन सबसे लास्ट अंतिम प्रसिद्ध राजा थे? एंड अकबर, जहांगीर, शाहजहां, औरंगजेब. ऑब्वियसली आंसर इज डी, औरंगजेब. राइट. In which year did the last Mughal emperor breathe his last? कब इनकी डेथ हुई थी? 1702, 1703, 1704, 1707. Answer is D, 1707. In which year the company power was transferred into the hand of British Crown? 1856, 1857, 1858, 1859. Answer is 1858. The British were forced to transfer the power to Indians in 1945, 1947, 1948. It is very easy question. 1947, everyone knows. The Marley Minto reform were introduced in 905, 907, 908, 909. Answer is 909. D. Next slide. The Victoria Memorial is in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, London. Answer is Kolkata. Victoria Memorial आज भी है. The Victoria Terminus is in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. Mumbai. The source of information of modern Indian history are preserved in temple, library, community hall, archive. Answer is D, archive. कहाँ preserve करके रखते हैं? Archive. Very good question, dear student. The Vernacular Press Act was passed in 1878, 1819, 1901, 1935. Answer is 1878. Which type of source of information does the Digital South Asia Library provided? So, administrative report, letters, internet database, newspaper, internet database. Answer is C. It is also very good question. The modern period of Indian history began in the 16th century, 17th century, 18th century, 19th century. 18th century. Easy question. In which language was the newspaper Keshri published? Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Urdu. Answer is Marathi. The book Unhappy Indian was written by Bankim Chandra, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Rajpat Rai, Sarojini Naidu. So, Unhappy Indian, Lala Rajpat Rai. A slogan, The Call, You Give Me Blood, I Will Give You Freedom, was given by Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Rajpat Rai, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So answer is A. Freedom is our birthright, the slogan given by Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Rajpat Rai, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The book Anand Math was written by J.L. Nehru, M.K. Gandhi, Lala Rajpat Rai, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. आनंद मठ, बंकिम चंद्र उपाध्याय। इसमें सन्यासी विद्रोह से रिलेटेड बातें लिखी गई हैं। ओके चिल्ड्रन। नील आंदोलन। ओके। द बुक माई एक्सपेरिमेंट विथ ट्रूथ was written by J.L. Nehru, M.K. Gandhi, Lala Rajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who? M.K. Gandhi. The establishment of the Indian National Congress is in 1885, 1886, 1905, 1947. 1885. The collection of writing of Gandhiji was kept in, situated near Rajghat, Lokghat, Delhi, Kolkata, Rajghat. Amrit Bazar Patrika was in which language? Marathi, Gujarati, Bengali, Hindi. Answer is Bengali. Okay. Once again, thank you for listening, watching my videos and supporting me.